You ever spend hours studying only to forget everything the next day? Like, seriously, where does it all go? Don't worry. It's not because you're lazy or not smart enough. It's because your brain isn't designed to hold on to info it thinks you won't need. Studies show that we forget up to 70% of what we learn within just 24 hours. Yeah, that's rough. But here's the thing. Japanese students memorize over 2,000 complex characters and remember them for life. How? Not by working harder, but by studying smarter. See, we were taught the wrong way. Rereading, highlighting, copying notes, it feels productive, but to your brain, it's just background noise, like scrolling past a random ad. You saw it, but it didn't stick. Ever had that moment during a test where your mind just goes completely blank? Yeah, that's not you being dumb. That's just your brain following the forgetting curve. So, how do you stop this? Let's break down 5 study hacks that Japanese students use to remember more and stress less. 1. Active recall, memory's secret weapon. Most people keep inputting, reading, watching, highlighting, but memory doesn't grow that way. It grows through output. When you struggle to remember something without looking, you're literally making your brain stronger. Try this. Close your book. Write down everything you remember on a blank page. No peeking. It'll feel uncomfortable, and that's the point. Struggling is how you build real memory. 2. The Kumon method. Tiny steps every day. In Japan, students use something called the Kumon method. Instead of cramming for 4 hours in one night, they study in small, daily chunks. Think, 15 minutes a day. That's it. Writer James Clear calls this the 1% rule. Just get a tiny bit better every day. No burnout, no stress, just slow, powerful progress. 3rd, spaced repetition. Water your brain. Memory is like a plant. You can't flood it once and expect it to survive. You have to water it consistently. That's what spaced repetition does. You review things right before your brain's about to forget them. Like this. Day 1. Learn it. Day 2. Review it. Day 4. Review again. Day 7. Once more. Each time, the memory gets stronger. And guess what? You remember it for months, not just hours. Apps like Anki can help. Or just simple flashcards. 4. Kaizen, the 1% rule. Japanese students follow Kaizen, the idea of continuous small improvements. It's not about cramming everything at once. It's about tiny wins that add up. Here's a quick 6-minute daily routine. 2 minutes, active recall, 2 minutes, spaced repetition, 2 minutes. Practice questions, 6 minutes. That's less than a YouTube short binge, but it changes everything. 5. Su, the ritual of focus. Focus isn't just a skill, it's a mindset. In Japan, students create a state called Su, deep focus through ritual. They train their brain to enter study mode using small, repeated actions. Here's how. Use the same desk, light a candle, play lo-fi music, use the same pen every time. These little rituals signal to your brain, hey, it's time to learn. Soon, you're not forcing focus, it just happens. So here's the real question. Will you keep cramming and forgetting? Or will you start using the same techniques the top 1% use? You've got the tools now. Pick just one of these methods. Try it for a week. Then drop a comment below and tell me what changed for you. And if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more bite-sized tips from Boost Buddy. Let's level up one smart step at a time.